Did you want to come like more in the frame so it doesn't look like we hate each other? So, are you just gonna play your video game throughout this whole intro, or?
I'm about to win, so.
Cool. You're the most
Like,
fun to hang out with.
Literally 23 seconds and we got this clutched.
Hey guys, it's Candace the Edgy Veg, and I'm here today with my friend John.
Hey guys.
John is a professional vegan professional athlete.
Something like that.
Are you a professional vegan?
I
mean, in a way. Anyway, we are doing the 10,000 calorie challenge today. We did 10,000 calories on John's channel like a month ago.
3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah, but we did it all healthfully, so it was all healthy foods against my better judgment. That's how we decided to go about this.
And how'd you do?
I didn't make it to 10,000 calories because your breakfast was 3 courses, which involved 3 burritos. So if you haven't seen that video, I really suggest you go watch it because it's hysterically ridiculous.
It's amazing.
So we're doing this again because we hate ourselves.
Apparently.
But we're doing junk food.
This should be interesting.
Yeah.
I feel good. I'm confident, but not cocky. Confident, but cocky. Not cocky. Oh God. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad.
All right, so it's hard with a lot of the vegan places to know what the exact calories are, so we're just going to kind of use one of those apps to kind of just ballpark it. So it'll be roughly 10,000 calories is the goal. Could be more, could be less by a little bit, but we're going to try and be as accurate as possible. Because last time you were doing so good and I'm a small human compared to you, so I was just failing miserably. So I think
really
the workout will help me get a good appetite.
Okay.
I was like,
go team! Hashtag sports! Alright, I'm sorry.
okay, the first step to our 10,000 calories junk food edition is breakfast. We are picking up some friends of ours, so you can just park right here, right here. Like we're literally right here. Picking up, oh!
So not right there.
Is it your first time driving?
That was a curb that you told me to park on.
So we're picking up our friends John and Sue, so we'll have 2 Johns, 1 Sue's and 1 Candace.
Good John and bad John.
Which one are you?
I'm bad John.
Okay, cool. And we are going to Korean's and having an obnoxious plate of breakfast food. I've never eaten here, but apparently you can get all the breakfast foods on one plate.
I'm excited.
Sue, did you just say we were stupid for doing this again?
Like, maybe.
You guys are running 10K?
No, we're eating 10K.
We're going to the best vegan breakfast place.
Koreans.
Can we get all the breakfast foods on one plate though?
Yes,
will
you can get
give
the
you-
vegan supreme and it has everything.
She will give you whatever you want.
Also with a side dish of love, so.
Oh, good.
How many calories?
Yeah, how many calories does love have?
We need to know these things.
This is the most elaborate orange juice I've ever seen in my life.
I'm excited.
Well, we're gonna eat. So here's our full plate. We're gonna eat it and then document our empty plate. So you're done? Are you still hungry?
I'm starving. Actually, I haven't eaten yet. It's almost like 11:30, so.
Are you gonna get more food? Or?
I mean,
She didn't eat anything.
Because I'm just like focusing on soup and coffee.
She's not doing the 10,000 calorie challenge.
No.
She hasn't even done like 10.
well, if she taps out, then I'll eat the rest of hers.
I'm still working on mine, but I will finish it. Did you eat all your fruit?
Yep.
Yes, you did. So healthy. Well, that didn't take very long. So now you're eating Suze's food?
Yeah.
So some pancakes, fries.
Just with your hands from here the whole time.
That'll be at least another
Oh my God.
600.
There better be at least 2 more plates on top of this by the time we're done here.
I will do my 10,000 calorie challenge here.
How are your pancakes?
Or no, we're throwing a party for
Delicious.
both of them are having
There we go.
and
It's a beautiful day. Someone over here thinks that it's summertime apparently.
It's 5 degrees. 5 degrees in Canada is balmy weather.
I'm so full. Like, I feel like I have,
How many calories?
I don't know, I have to put it into the chronometer. So we just ate a lot of food and now we're going to a Pilates class. Well, Suze and I am. I don't know what John's doing. Squats in the living room. I don't know. All right. We're very sweaty. Also, we're both wearing all black today. Well, except for your shoes.
Yeah, they're killing the vibe.
I have to go eat like 8,000 calories now.
Okay, so where are we off to for lunch? Right now we're heading to a Pie-Clips in downtown Toronto. I've only had it once before, and it was the best vegan pizza I've ever had.
I have it like 3 times a week, so this is just a casual day for me.
So this really isn't a challenge. This is more just like a typical day in the life.
Oh yeah, like
What I eat in a day.
love this place.
So you guys have had breakfast already.
Yeah.
And have you kind of like tracked where your calories are at so far?
Not yet. I'm thinking our breakfast was what? What did you say, like 1,500 calories?
Yeah, you had about 1,500. I had about 2,500 because I had 2 portions. Clearly an overachiever. Yeah.
He's just trying to make me look bad. That's the thing. He just does this to make me look bad.
So do you think that doing the 10,000 calorie challenge is actually challenging, or is it like, because you guys have done it already once before on John's channel.
With the healthy food, it's challenging. I think this will be a lot more attainable.
And more fun.
Yeah, and more fun because it's not oatmeal, you know? And oatmeal just is just like barf in a bowl. We definitely need a pig destroyer. And then what else has like the most calories?
Tater tots. No.
No more fucking tater tots. No more tater tots.
You get poutine each, or like what's the?
No, just like we'll share a poutine and share deep fried pickles.
Okay, so what do we have ordered?
Vegan poutine with Gouda cheese, and then we got a pig destroyer, which has all this different fake meats on it.
Barbecued soy curls, pepperoni, artichokes, vegan bacon, cheese, mozzarella sticks. And we also have this glazed donut. Napkin for you, sir? Well, not all of them.
I feel like, okay, you should eat 2 mozzarella sticks, because I'm already ahead of you.
Oh yeah, because you had 2 plates of breakfast.
Oh, green.
They're even better than the old ones that they used to have here. You lost the pepperoni.
You can't just say it.
I thought you were going to share that with me. It's like, no, I'm good, but we're not doing that. This isn't Lady and the Tramp.
Do you want hot sauce?
Yes. Bye. I mean, why hang out with men if you can't make them run your errands? That's so hot.
Nothing but class.
I want to do that.
I like it spicy.
No, you don't.
I know.
You don't even like spicy food. Are you showing off? Alright.
Bite of crust. Bite of poutine.
How are we not full yet?
I think our stomachs are still expanded from the last one.
Do we have beef with crust in our pizza?
Yeah.
It doesn't work harm.
First oatmeal, now crust.
Well, oatmeal's crust. No one
oatmeal?
chooses oatmeal unless they hate themselves. You do hate yourself.
3 Beyond Meat burgers each.
3 each?
That'll be 2,400.
I can eat 2 for sure. Well, all of them. This is the biggest donut ever.
That's thick. This is what I aspire to be. This thick.
Here's my thing with these types of donuts. I think there needs to be like some condensed milk dipping sauce situation with this donut.
Why don't you just get the one
Because it's
condensed
like,
milk on top?
because it's just like kind of just spongy. That's why I like cake donuts. Like a chocolate on chocolate cake donut doesn't work really at this place.
So we just had half of a large pizza. We had a donut and poutine and mozza sticks. Now we're going to TBC Bakery. We're saving the other half for later when we get hungry at home. We're gonna get some donuts. Hopefully they have some cronuts for us.
They have epic, like huge donuts. They're a bakery, so they have like sausage rolls, pizza rolls. They have this frozen section that I think we can peruse. They have breakfast sandwiches. I think they have a Crunch Supreme, like a Taco Bell. What is it called?
Crunch wrap.
Crunch Wrap. They have a vegan version of Crunch Wrap Supreme. We should probably get one of those and take it home. Okay, that's where we're going.
Chocolate with like cookie dough on top. Ooh, maybe that one. Oh, that one looks fancy. Okay, get the. I want the one behind it then.
Okay, and then I need these pizza rolls. Is this starting to hit you?
I'm just like, I'm sleeping.
Do Do we need a knife to cut these things in half? I don't really want this right now though. Like I kind of just want to eat the donut.
I really want my burrito.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually like starving for a burrito, so.
Starving for a burrito? You just ate?
Aggressive. It might have been like a little bit of a hyperbole, but.
Okay. Take the bigger half. Are they the exact same?
Yeah,
Did I nail that?
Yeah, you nailed it.
I think I want this actually.
Ooh.
All right. It's a crunch wrap surprise. It smells so good.
It's a breakfast burrito.
Ooh.
It's delicious.
Mine's better. It is though.
Is it?
It's a bit anemic. I really don't want to eat this right now. Like I really don't. I'm so full from that pizza and poutine and donut and everything else that we've eaten today.
Fun thing is, we still have half a pizza left after the donuts and burritos. Cheers.
Fun fact, John doesn't like sweets.
It's not that I don't like them. Like I'd eat one and I'd be good. Like I'm not gonna eat a whole cake.
Who eats a whole cake?
I think you'd be surprised.
That is so good.
I'm trying to figure out what's on top.
Peanuts?
It doesn't taste like peanuts.
Walnuts. It's like a slight peanut butter flavor to mine. Why I wore lipstick today, I don't know.
So why did you wear all black today?
To make myself appear thinner. Why did you wear all black today?
To match my depression.
How are you feeling so far?
So bad. I feel like my stomach is like slowly inflating like a balloon, like really slowly. Like I feel pressure like on my ovaries for some reason.
I'm still going strong over here. I just finished half my burrito. I'm feeling good.
All right, so I guess this is like dinner number 1, which is the leftover pizza from Apocalypse. I don't feel good. We both have to eat 2 slices, so I'm getting like tiny bird bites. I don't want to eat this anymore.
We still have to eat dinner number 2.
No, I don't want dinner number 2. I'm starting to regret this. Can we never do this again? I think I'm gonna switch my channel from food to literally anything else. Like, can we like review pants? Look at these two. This is like, I can't has cheeseburger. Okay, it's dinner time. Not that we've really taken breaks between eating.
No.
We ordered a bunch of A&W Beyond Meat burgers, and a bunch of fries, and root beer. And I'm drinking a bottle of Prosecco because I need to start drinking these calories because my stomach's too small. So it just arrived. This is our dinner. Cheers.
Oh, root beer, cheers.
Good luck. Let's crush some burgers.
Let's do it.
I don't want to eat this.
The thing is, I had 2 breakfasts, a whole extra burger.
Breakfasts?
Breakfast.
Breakfasts.
So I had 2 breakfasts and a whole extra burger and a whole extra fries. You're like, it's not even like you can pretend that you have more calories than me.
Yeah, but I can go out drinking. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna vomit though.
Why did you think it was gonna be easier?
I don't know. That's how I feel. I feel like I have to burp.
I'm sorry, I couldn't even hold that in.
But like,
I never burp in front of other people, but like,
I feel like I have to, but I can't. Like, I really feel like if I could, I would feel better. I feel like I should be more bloated.
I had to make room.
No, I can't. I was like, maybe I'll finish this one. I can't. I can't. No. Oh no.
I swear to God, if you throw up on this table, I'm gonna lose my mind.
It might happen. But I really don't want to fail.
Oh.
Like, if I throw up, do I lose?
Yes.
I'm trying to eat this burger, and every time I try to swallow, like, I have a gag reflex. Like, it's coming, like, the rest of it's gonna come up. And I don't know how to end this challenge.
Grow up. Hey, grow up.
You weigh twice me. You are twice my size. I legit like lost muscle from the last time we did this. Like, I had like these like great abs, and now I have them underneath a layer of like f***ing oatmeal.
Okay, the oatmeal was a lot. I will give you that.
I'm feeling emotionally distressed. Can I make Harley eat my calories?
One of us is committed to this. You're a f***ing mess.
What?
You're a f***ing mess.
Oh, I thought you said you're the f***ing best, and I was like, I know. I don't think no.
You need to get on my face before I drop you. I f***ing hate this. I just spit food everywhere.
Why do we do this?
The thought of chewing this burger right now makes me want to actually.
I know,
jump
chewing
off
is the worst part. Oh no. If you're gonna throw up, go to the bathroom.
It was a burp.
Okay.
If I'm throwing up, it's going right out the balcony. Right overboard, buddy.
Okay, let's see if I can manage. No, I went to grab it and no. I'll finish this though. I think I'll finish this. Is it like 24 hours though?
No.
So what's the time limit?
It's a day.
A day is 24 hours.
No.
There's 24 hours in a day. Like, I have to pee and I can't even get up to do it. Do we need a break from each other after this?
It's just like a 2-week hiatus. Nothing against you. Just I'm good. I'm good.
You don't want to see this face?
No. I mean, it just reminds me of this day and like PTSD symptoms from it.
Which one's worse, this one or the last one?
Honestly, I'm about to hit 10K. This burger makes me 10K.
Okay. So do it.
No.
I thought you were like saying like proudly like I'm going to eat this burger and then I'm at 10K. No, you're like this isn't happening for me?
No, I'm just saying. I was just stating a fact. But I felt like this at 2:45 last time before we took our nap.
Oh, that was not good.
It was not good.
I'm a few thousand away from 10K and I honestly, like my body's going through some changes. I feel brain fog and my stomach feels like an ever expanding helium balloon. And I kind of feel sad. I think it's the crash from all the sugar. I just feel really sad. Yeah, I'm out. I'm done. I'm out. I can't.
You can't quit it.
Do you want to just like take a 15-minute nap? Okay, good night. I hate you, internet, for making this a trend. I hate us for doing it twice. I never want to do this again. I'm never going to watch a 10,000 calorie challenge video again. I can literally feel my body getting puffy from all the salt. So we've killed John. Are you concentrating really hard? Do you want me to start talking to you? Well, folks, whatever friendship there was here, I think it's over now. Did you finish it? Are you done? I didn't do it. I'm so proud of you and so disappointed in myself.
I'm disappointed in you as well. You dragged me into this twice.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please like me still.
One of us ate 10,000 calories today.
I came really close.
You did not. That you maybe hit 5,000.
That's not true. It's not true. I'll do the math later. This sucks, don't do it, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Okay, so that's the 10,000 calorie challenge. Once again, John has hit 10,000 calories. I have not, and I am in utter disappointment. And you know what, I'm okay with that because I'm gonna go throw up now. If you like this video and think we're both nuts, give it a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section what video you want us to do next. What kind of challenge do you want us to do? Please do not make it involve eating food. Don't forget to watch the first 10,000 calorie challenge that we did over on John's channel, where it was healthy food and significantly more food, and how I also did not finish that one either. And if you're new here, welcome, buongiorno, and please hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna go throw up. Bye.